CJ Dropshipping and Zendrop are both dropshipping platforms, but they have differences in terms of features and user experience. CJ Dropshipping is a platform that connects merchants with a wide range of suppliers, offering a vast selection of products for dropshipping. It provides various features like product sourcing, order fulfillment, and automated tools. CJ Dropshipping also offers branded invoicing, customized packaging, and a fulfillment network. Zendrop is another dropshipping platform that focuses on simplicity and automation. It integrates directly with Shopify, allowing for easy product imports and order fulfillment. Zendrop emphasizes a user-friendly interface and is designated to streamline the dropshipping process, especially for Shopify store owners. It offers features like product customization, automatic order processing, and branded invoicing. Choosing between CJ Dropshipping and Zendrop depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you value a wide product selection and a comprehensive fulfillment network, CJ Dropshipping may be a better fit. On the other hand, if you're looking for a streamlined and Shopify-centric experience, Zendrop might be more suitable. Consider factors like product range, integration capabilities, and the user interface when making your decision.